Hello and welcome to today's art class. Feel free to pause this video along the way to keep up with all of the steps. Welcome! Let's make a pizza out of clay. To start with, I'm going to push my clay into an oval shape, and now I would like to make it into a slab. Remember to turn your clay over so that it does not stick to your table, and a rolling pin is an amazing tool when making a slab. Use your finger to smooth out the clay. Now it's time to cut a triangle shape. First, I'm going to draw the shape onto my clay with a sharp skewer. When you're happy with the shape, you can go ahead and cut it out and smooth the sides with your fingers. Now with my carving tool, I'm going to carve a little bit of clay out at the top of my triangle to create the pizza crust. Remember to only carve out a small amount because we don't want to make a hole. Now it's time to add all those juicy details. What toppings are you going to add to your pizza? Remember, when you're adding things together with clay, you need to use the slip and score technique. Score and scratch into both sides of the clay, and then add a little bit of water and twist those pieces together and push them down so that they are securely joined. Continue this process with all the things that you add to your clay creation. I'm making a spinach, mushroom and cheese pizza. I wonder what pizza you're going to make. When you have finished, make sure you turn your pizza over and write your name on the back. Well done, it's time to go create your very own slice of pizza. Thanks for watching, see you next time.